everybody.
Hello.
It's Southern Bells here. I'm Wanda.
And I'm Rebecca.
And we are back today with one of our favorite times.
Yes.
With a Stitch Fix unboxing.
Yes. We have some exciting news. We have been doing YouTube videos for a year now. We started in October of last year, and so you guys have been with us for a year, some of you, and we just really appreciate you. Thanks for sticking with us for so long.
We do, and we've met some really nice people through this.
Yes.
So it's just fun for us to do. And you may notice that I have on a color that maybe is not a fall color, but it is pink, and I am wearing pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Yes.
I am a 7-year survivor of breast cancer, and
I gotta give her a hug.
with my wonderful family. And I just wanted to commemorate the month, and I also want to take this moment to urge you, if you are not one to go get your mammogram, please do, because I can tell you it saves lives. And the reason I wore pink for the Stitch Fix is because I did ask my stylist, Nicole, if she could send me some items that were, I guess, to commemorate Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I'm excited to get in here and see what she has selected for me.
All right, let's get to it.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. So Stitch Fix is Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service. I get used to saying monthly, but you really can get it whenever you want to get it. In the box, it looks like this. And this right here will tell you what you need to know. There is a $20 styling fee, and if you decide to purchase any item whatsoever, that $20 comes off. Now, I have the styling pass, which is a yearly fee that I pay of $49. So I don't have the styling fee anymore. It just gets charged once a year. If you keep 5 items, you get a 25% discount. Anything that you don't want, you just pop into this handy dandy mailer and you stick it in your mailbox or take it to your post office. And you know, with that handy dandy mailer, something fell out.
Yay! I always get excited about jewelry.
Yeah, this definitely means jewelry, doesn't it? Okay, I'm going to let you open it.
Okay, are we doing this one first?
Sure.
All right, let's do it. Sorry to carry a pretty paper. That's fine. Not pretty paper. The sticker was pretty. All right. Ooh, I like these. These are pretty.
There's your pink stones.
Yes.
She did what I asked.
So she got some pretty pink earrings. Let me show you guys. Those are really pretty.
Beautiful stones.
I love how they dangle.
And it has a lighter colored stone in graduating, I guess, sizes. And then maybe even a little crystal right there. So
those are so nice.
Very pretty.
Earrings are my favorite accessory. Excuse me. Tired today. But earrings are my favorite accessory, so I really like those.
Oh, and I did forget to mention we have our invoice here, which I'm not going to look at the moment. And we also have styling cards, and I'm looking to see if they're actually my styling cards this time.
Yes, she loves styling cards.
Last month it was for Keely, so I didn't have exactly the right ones. Oh, it is, and I still have Nicole as my stylist. Welcome to your 23rd fix. Thank you for being extra patient with this fix. It was scheduled for Tuesday, but they emailed me and said that they were waiting on some items, which I thought was really neat because she didn't just send me anything. She wanted to send me something that she thought that I would like. I was hoping to come across a great top for you to wear this month in support of breast cancer awareness, but unfortunately I just found pink denim. Let's pair them with some beautiful tops. Okay, so we'll look and see. Pink denim's nice too.
Yeah, pink denim is nice.
So here is my bundle, and I do see pink in there. Ooh, I see some pretty colors. I feel some soft fabrics in there.
Yay.
Okay,
let's see what it is.
Let's see. Whoops, now I tore the paper pretty good. Okay, here is a recreation or recreation, however you want to say it. That is a very heavy material.
That's good. That's a very nice fall piece, and it still has the pink in it.
Oh, it does, doesn't it? So that would go with the pink denim as well.
And the sleeves kind of, is that ruching on the sleeves?
smocking type.
Smocking, yeah, whatever that word is. The sleeves have that. They
And
come
it is
together at the
like a
bottom.
wrap top.
Cute.
Surplice top, is that what they call it?
I like that.
Okay, that's pretty. It's really, see, the material's very heavy.
Yeah, it's good quality.
This is a pretty color, and it's the same sort of style, I think, in the front, or similar anyway. I do love blue.
Pretty.
What is that?
This is the West Key.
I have some West Key tops, and I really like them. Oh, this next one is so soft already.
Yes.
I'm feeling it.
And it's pink.
I also asked for some athleisure pieces as well, so that must be what this
Oh yeah,
one
that is
is.
what this is.
Oh. Okay, there
Can't
we
find where
go.
it starts and stops.
Oh, that is so soft, and I love the color of this as well. It's got like a cowl neck, I guess.
Oh,
Once you
okay.
do that, oh, I love this.
That is nice. That's soft. That looks like it'll be very comfy.
This would be good for football games.
Yes,
You
it would
know,
be
sitting
perfect.
out there. Oh, I'm excited about that as well. And here are the pink denim, Lakeview denim.
Oh, I like those.
Oh, they must be kind of stretchy.
They're
Or they look
cute.
really small. I don't know. I hope I'm able to fit into these.
Those are cute though.
I like,
I like those.
And I think that will look so pretty with just about everything over there.
Even this.
Uh-huh.
I like this, like when colors are the same color but different shades put together. I really like that look.
Skinny jeans. And I can't tell if they're cropped or not.
They may be. They
But
seem
we
like
will see.
they look straight leg.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So I am anxious to try this on. And
Yeah.
I think Nicole did another great job with this fit.
Yes, she really did. I like everything you got.
I do too.
There's that and your earrings.
And we will be back with a try on. Here are my first two items, and I have to say I am in love with this shirt. It is so soft, and I really like the way it looks. I like the color of it too. And it doesn't look too bad with these pants. I'm not as sure about the pants. I don't know how flattering they are since they are a really, really light color. You know, sometimes it can give illusions that you don't want when you have on those light colored jeans and everything. But I do like it with this top, especially since the top comes down fairly long. And this is just so cozy, and this is absolutely what I was looking for. What are these, Rebecca?
So these pants are the Lakeview Denim-Alex colored skinny jeans in pink, and they are $58. The top is the pink clover Poplar cowl neck brushed top in purple, and it is $44.
I like the length of this top too. I think you can wear this with leggings, and it would be a really nice casual,
comfy, cozy fall look. I love it. That
yes.
top. It's so cute.
I do like this. I don't have a lot of casual clothes. I guess I tend towards the other side a little bit more, but to me, even though this is casual, it still looks put together, and I do like that.
I really like this one.
This top may have to be mine. I'm not sure about the jeans yet, although the jeans are very comfortable. They're very stretchy. They're comfortable. I'm just not sure if they are so light that they don't leave a lot to the imagination, so to speak. But yeah. So Nicole, great job so far.
I'm liking it.
Let's look at the next top. And here's my next top. I like this. I like the what do you call it? Where it comes over, wraparound, kind of a wraparound type top, and it is open inside here, but it does have the snap. And this one's not so low. Sometimes you get the wraparound tops, and they're a lot lower than I'm comfortable with. But this one's not so bad.
I really like the look of that one.
Like this?
Uh-huh.
Pretty colors too. It's got the cranberry-like or grape-like, I guess. The rose and cream on a dark purple type background, and I may be missing those colors all together, but that's what it looks like to me. You can see a little bit more what I'm talking about with the pants right through here. If I wore a top that was a little bit shorter, It's just very, very tight. I do love the length of these pants. I wish I
Yeah.
could get every pair of pants in this length. They
Oh.
get just right.
I like the shoes with them too. Those two colors look good together. It's kind of similar to the color of the sweater you had on earlier.
And they actually match a little bit of the design here, the little floral print. I do like the print. It's a very delicate floral print. And then there's that smocking on the sleeves that we were talking about. I like the sleeves here, and I think it fits well in the shoulders. What is this one, Rebecca?
This is the Recreation Caura Surplice top in black, and it is $44.
Oh, it's black?
I think. Maybe.
I never would have said black.
Did I give you the wrong?
No, because the other one's a bright blue. It could be on a black background, but the way the print is, it looks more purpley to me, but it possibly is black. What do you think? What's it coming across as? And I know our lighting, we can't figure this lighting out as far as it going in and out, so we apologize for that. But yeah, this is a pretty, and this is a good way for us in fall, because sometimes there are days in the fall when this would be all we would need. We wouldn't even need a jacket like today.
Right.
Today is October, 10th? And
yes, and it is warm outside.
And it is about 90 degrees or above. So yeah. Okay, I have one more top to try on. And here's my last top. And again, I really like this. I think Nicole knows the style that I really like, and Rebecca just gave me a compliment saying this was really slimming, so I hope so.
I like it.
It's a pretty color. I probably wouldn't wear it with these pants because there's not, well, I guess it has a hint of a pinkish in here, but just a very little hint. It's a polyester, so it's thin here, but it is lined, so I wouldn't have to wear anything under it for that reason. It's borderline low for me. Rebecca tells me it's not inappropriately low, so
no, it doesn't look bad.
And I like this one too. Nicole has just really, she gets me, I think.
Yeah, this is a great fit.
So what is this one?
This is the West Key Allan Chiffon blouse in Cobalt, and it is $42. It's the second cheapest thing in your fix after the earrings.
Okay. And the earrings were how much?
The earrings were $38.
$38. And you got a good look at those, I think, at the beginning of the
video
unboxing. I'm sorry, I can't get my words together today. And I don't like to try on the earrings unless I'm absolutely sure that I'm going to keep those. But I guess we need to hear the price of the whole box because I do like everything in here. As I said, the pants scare me a little bit, but with a longer top, I think they're fine.
Yeah.
They're fine. It's just I'm not sure with the tops that come up this high, you know, that I would feel comfortable then, but definitely with the longer tops, and I do have quite a few longer tops that would go with them. What is the whole price of this?
So the price of the entire box is $226 even. If you buy all, you get that 25% discount, which would take off $56.50, bringing your subtotal to $169.50. Shipping is free, so your total would be $169.50.
And I have to say, when I saw what was in this box, I was expecting it to be more expensive. I mean, $169.50. That's a lot of money, but that comes out to about $35 maybe a piece.
For good pieces.
Yeah. So I don't know. My inclination is towards a 5 for $5. And I also have to look ahead because I have other boxes coming in too, you know, for the month. But I really do like everything in here, and I think the fit, especially of the tops, are really, really nice.
And those earrings are really pretty.
The earrings are beautiful, and I normally would never give $38 for earrings, but if I got the 5 for $5, that would take about $7.50 off more, or maybe a little bit more than that. So, I don't know. Please comment below what you think about this fix. Is it a 5 for 5, or are the jeans maybe the deal breaker? I don't know. Please let me know. I love to hear from you. I hear from several people quite often, and I really do appreciate their advice on things, because I watch their videos too, and I know how they like to dress, and they always look so nice. So just let me know. And Rebecca, she's going to come join me over here. And I would like to thank you so much for watching our video.
Yes, we appreciate you very much.
We do, and it just thrills us that you would take time out of your busy day to do that. We appreciate you more than you know.
Oh, yeah.
If you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Give us a thumbs up. And another thing, I forgot to tell you this. If you are new to Stitch Fix and you have watched through to this point, I'm going to leave my link below, and if you decide to try Stitch Fix out, then you will get a $25 credit. I will also get a $25 credit, which is helpful when you do this type of these videos. So we hope you join us again for our next one.
We'd love to have you. You're part of the family.
That's right. And remember, get that mammogram.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.